And welcome to another exciting video. Now in this one, we'll see how we can display the subscription details of the subscribed user. So here you can see I've created a dashboard page. Now on the dashboard page, you'll see the subscription that I have subscribed to, like it's showing monthly over here. And to do this, we'll first of all go ahead and go to our pricing.js page. Now within this page, what we have done is we have included this link from next link. Once we have this link in place, we scroll down and over here you can see I have converted the button to a link, and this is pointing to our newly created page dashboard.js. So it has this managed subscription as the text and the hyperlink is dashboard page that we have over here. Opening the dashboard page, if you see, we are first of all importing these three things: the super base, the get user cookie, and the use user. Now here in the dashboard, we are making use of the use user from our user context. After that, we are checking if the user is there and it is subscribed. We are showing the message subscribed. Otherwise, we are showing not subscribed. And here in the getServerSideProps method, we are making use of the get user cookie. Using that, we are checking if the cookie is not there, then it's taking the user to the login page. Otherwise, the user will remain on the dashboard page. And finally, here we are showing the interval. So if you see over here, if the user is subscribed, we are getting the interval from this. And another thing that we need to do is go to our components nav.js. Here we have already included the use user, and down below we have introduced this dashboard link, and we are checking if the user is there, then only show the dashboard link. Otherwise, the dashboard link will not appear. Now here, when we are running the application, you can see on clicking the dashboard page, the user is presented with the dashboard text and the subscribed along with the interval that we have. We can go back to the pricing page, and here you can see now it's showing manage subscription. If I click on any of these subscriptions that I'm subscribed to, I'll get the data for that subscription.